Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So return or be replaced seems to be the advice going in the direction of Aisha Buhari. So Aisha Buhari, of course, has been in London for going on 2-3 months now, having left the Hajj pilgrimage in Saudi Arabia in August to go straight to London, where she has been all the way through. So now return or be replaced seems to be the advice that is going in that direction, because she's eminently dispensable, of course, to Malam Buhari, who only sees women as serving two functions: to cook his food and bear his children. He said that effectively in his infamous words, she belongs in the other room. So shut up and keep your opinions to yourself, what he was saying there. So with that, guys, I bring you this: Aisha Buhari better return before someone else takes over the other room. So now let's see what advice is being given to the First Lady. If Aisha Buhari was banking on the saying that absence makes the heart grow fonder, she may need to hear the other, which goes out of sight, out of mind. The First Lady has not only been conspicuously silent from the national discourse for a long time, she has also been far from her husband's side in recent times. As her days of disappearance lengthened, the number of theories that sought to explain her newfound public reticence grows more plentiful and absurd. Aisha used to be visible in the social radar up until last June, when she went on a holy pilgrimage to Saudi Arabia. Since then, she faded from the scene. Whilst many folks showed genuine concerns, others used the development as materials for jokes about being stuck in the other room. Some claimed that the woman, who routinely makes splashes by speaking out against areas of her husband's rule that she disagrees with, has been finally silenced. This camp averred that the president finally had enough of her public insubordination and wielded his many rights as the head of the home to land a fiat of silence on her head. Another camp, seen most commonly on social media, argued that Aisha herself must have caught a sudden change of heart and truncated a one-woman crusade against bad governance before it ever really got going. Whilst both camps argued back and forth on the matter, neither Aisha or her retinue of advisors and hangers-on seemed interested in shedding light on what she has been up to. But now reports have surfaced of intense moves by her kinsmen and those who have her husband's ears to marry a new wife for the president since she left the villa. If she values her man and her position as First Lady, it will be wise for her to become visible and stay by the president before a new occupant takes over the other room. This may have prompted her recent tweet on the occasion of Nigeria's Independence Day celebration, her first since August. So now here you have now the plot thickening regarding the absence of Aisha Buhari, because Aisha Buhari's absence from Aso Rock, of course, have no doubt, has a lot of undertones and a lot of underbelly meanings to it. So why would the lady be out of the country is the first question. Then why would the wife of the president be away from the villa is the second question. And why is she hiding away in London, having left Saudi Arabia since August, mid-August, is the question. So several questions around this lady. Why the public silence? This lady that was tweeting more than Donald Trump once upon a time is now loud, but her silence is deafening, and the space that silence occupies is being noticed by everyone, and that silent spot is now being filled by opinions and conspiracy theories. Conversations in the comment section: the First Lady absent without leave, and of course the conspiracy theories are rife and awry. So come share your theories about the absence of this lady from the Aso Rock villa with me. But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me why you think this lady is gone missing from action in the comment section. So I'll leave you here joining comments, but here I say peace.